Okay, this one says, a 7th grade student wants to read at least 300 pages of a novel this week. He has already read 155 pages. An inequality for that represents the situation is 7x plus 55 is greater than or equal to 300. First thing we need to do is solve this inequality for x. So we have 7x plus 55 is greater than or equal to 300. I'm going to subtract 55 from each side, and I'm left with 7x is greater than or equal to 245. And now I need to multiply by the reciprocal, so 1/7 on each side. Right, these cancel each other out. I have x is greater than or equal to 35. I need to graph it. So I'm just going to put 35 here somewhere and need to count down and count up. Okay, so I know that x is greater than or equal to 35. So since it's or equal to, my circle is going to be filled in, and x is larger than that, so my arrow is going to be pointing to the right. All right, last part of this question, it says, using this solution, identify a number of pages that the student could read per day in order to have at least 300 pages of the novel read in a week. Explain how you know that your answer is appropriate. So for this, guys, all you have to do is select any number that would be to the right of 35. So any number that's in that red and beyond, any number that's greater than 35. So let's say 40. He could read 40 pages. How do I know that that's right? Because if he read 40 pages, he would read more than the 300 that he needs, and so he would read it in a week. I also know that this is true because it falls on the graph. So let's write that out. I know 40 pages is appropriate because 40 is larger than 35. And it falls on the graph.